Okay, you guys, I know the matter where they're on ground right now, right? I mean, it is Chivido 2024. I mean, the long-awaited ceremony is here. I mean, a lot of people have been, cheering this guy, even from the time he proposed to her. We've been expecting the weddings. Some people even like, is Chioma now going to become a ring holder for life? What's going on? But, as you can see, everything done the pop.
She get the dollar. She did with the sun. Say, I am looking for a sister. Chioma, my lover. She get the dollar. She say, give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance. Assurance. Give my baby assurance. Give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, heavy. Baby, you want me?
Before we move any further, how about you guys like this video? Like this video, guys, because I'm going to be dropping a anyways, you know how they go now. Anyways, so this is the Kiwi Show, and I am Jessie Rogers. Now, before we proceed, like this video, subscribe, and share to your friends. Now, on this very matter, this wedding, I want to ask you guys, what do you think? Is it actually finally a proof that women are in business and men are in love? Calm down, don't drop me. Let me explain myself. So, guys of the opinion that no, women, once you have money, everything is good. It doesn't matter even if you're a cheater, you're a short man, or whatever it is that you are. As long as you have money, you can get any woman you want. And it's very funny because a lot of Nigerian women, all right, they've been like, I know, cheating. You see them on Twitter. They'll be typing all sorts of things about cheating men. You don't need them. They will destroy your mental health. They will deal with you emotionally. They will this, they will that. So it's assumed that every Nigerian woman is against cheating men. Oh, Davido has been dragged countless number of times on the internet for being such a cheat, an open cheat for that matter. Having how many baby mamas do you get? The guy doesn't even mind having babies with these women. So he's been an open cheat despite his relationship with Chioma. And everybody was like, they kept on saying how sad they felt for Chioma. They're so heartbroken for the young lady. Why is she even still with him? People have had a lot to say. But is it the same Nigerians that are online right now and celebrating and saying, oh, they're so happy for Chioma, she's the hero, she's this, wow. How authentic is this happiness, really? Nigerians, please, where do you guys stand? I want to know it. Like, what's going on? Where are you guys? Are you guys for cheating men or against cheating men? I thought cheating men has come. So how authentic is this happiness, really, honestly? I mean, everybody's supposed to be happy. 2 people are getting married. We are happy. But the problem now is the previous situation before this current happiness. Everybody was of the opinion that Chioma, so people were like, I don't know, Chioma, like, don't settle for something like this. But now, I mean, so what could actually be, let's try to travel inside Chioma's mind. Small, just a little bit. Come with me. What do you think could be Chioma's take? Everybody has been speaking for her since, but now, there's every possibility that we're going to look at this thing from both ways, because I am here voicing a lot of people's opinions. I mean, I've seen a lot of things, been written on social media, on the internet. People have made different comments. So I want to bring some of those comments and I want to portray it to you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Now, it could be, all right, based off of opinions, it could be that Chioma, it's either she's exhausted, like, she, instead of starting all over with somebody, because, it's been a while, she and Davido go way back, don't he? Since the days of their university, you understand? So, leaving him because he's such a cheat, and starting all over from the beginning with somebody else. Who's even sure that other somebody else is not going to cheat? Is it because he's a celebrity? Maybe he's a celebrity. It's because he's a celebrity. That's why everybody knows that he's a cheater. Because, paparazzi is always on him 24/7. A lot of other men out there cheat. They have baby mamas scattered all over the place. You don't even know. Because they're not celebrities, that's why nobody knows. All right? So maybe she's thinking this way. Who is the other person she's going to stay with or she's going to start all over with that is not going to be a cheat, that won't have baby mamas? Do you understand? This could either be it, or it could be she's going the Regina way, according to comments and people's opinion. It could be she's going the Regina way. And the Regina way doesn't necessarily have to be an older man or a very older man. It could be, it's also somebody who is made, someone who is rich and comfortable and is able to protect you and take good care of you and your children for the rest of your life. Yes. That is also the Regina way. So he doesn't have to be a very old guy as long as he's stable financially. I mean, look at it this way. Chioma is getting married into one of the biggest conglomerate families in Nigeria. The lives of her children are secured. Her life is secured. You know, it's just, it doesn't, at this point, for most women, you and I know that it really doesn't matter anymore if this guy is a cheat, as long as he's taking good care of his family. Of all the money that have been spent on random women out there, I think everybody can see that Chioma has benefited the most from his wealth. All right? I mean, Davido has come out to brag that his wife's ring can buy 3 Rolls Royce. Hey, I mean Royces. Please, somebody should help me with the plural of Rolls Royces. Please, calm down. Anyways, you guys get the whole point, right? Davido has always been vocal about Chioma. So I think we all know that despite his promiscuity and escapades with different women, this guy actually loves Chioma. He likes her a lot. He's finally wifing her. And Nigerians are excited. We are actually excited. Forget say yes, we not say Davido. Well, he don't mess up 1 or 2 times. But we're really happy for these people. And that's just that's just the matter. All right, that's just the matter. Now, before we kind of like wrap up this video a bit, is she baby Chioma? Is she really the hero Nigerian women have painted her to be? You know, because right now everybody's like, oh my God, Chioma is so strong. I'm so happy for you. You deserve this. Is marriage really an award? Is it really an award, or is it because it's Davido? I don't know if you guys are thinking what I'm thinking. All right. I mean, it's crazy. This whole thing is crazy. But I mean, how about we come back again, you know, with more celebration news, because it's going to be hot today. Today, now the D-Day is going to go down after the mother. You know what I'm saying? All right. So before we go any further, or before I come to the end of this video, how about you guys make sure you've liked this video? Subscribe, and of course share to your friends. Guys, let's wrap it up for now. We will be back later with more gist and more gist. This has been the Kiwi Show, and this is Jessica Rogers.
Parfait, no vaya a como lo pe. Body on cha-cha-cha, sa toro tomo y de peperema. Toy tomato, crossing go beyo. Le pacho pepere, pecho on my shemile sheo. I don't wanna hear you say, I don't wanna hear you say.
And like I promised, I am back. Before we go any further, I'd like to say Chioma looks really stunning in that purple, burgundy, red outfit. I don't even know the color. I can't even pinpoint the color at the moment. They're really looking, the couple are really looking spick and spam. Sorry, spark. Spick and spark. They're looking really, really good. I mean, you guys must have seen the videos flooding the internet right now. Everybody's happy, everybody's celebrating. The video looks really, you know, breathtaking with his Maleficent stuff. I mean, that thing is really hot. I mean, giving royalty. I don't even know how to explain the whole thing. I mean, this is actually a very good event. Everybody's happy and people are actually making the most out of it. When I mean making the most out of it, because I'm hearing they are selling tickets. Oh, Chineke. Excuse me, please. What's the ticket supposed to be for? I thought we there was an agreement that he's supposed to, sorry, that he personally shared out invitations to the people he wanted to be in that wedding. So if Davido is the one that shared his invitation, and there's a strict policy, be information or security protocol, there's a strict protocol that nobody without invitation is allowed to enter into the party. So we can't be ticket again. Say then they sell tickets for 1.2 million naira or more to get into the party. He's not doing fundraising, he's marrying. Okay, so back to the gist. Now, it gets something I want to ask, guys. Do you think, or should this happen, do you think Davido's baby mamas should be present in this wedding? I mean, it's just a humble observation from my own end. Do you think they should be there or they will be there? What do you think? I mean, if they are there, it will make sense. So I feel like all of them should even have like a uniform. Like they should have their own ashwebi with the kids. You know, mothers of the groom's children or co-wives association, something like that. I don't know. But like, I feel the children should be able to attend their daddy's wedding and they can't just come on their own. So the moms should be present as well, you know, to keep the kids in check. So, I mean, I don't know, from my own angle, I feel like it's going to be okay. It will be nice. It will be very late. To be a shutdown. If you get what I'm saying. Anyways, all right. So, that aside, this wedding is really giving, like, it's really giving class, it's giving luxury, it's lit upon lit upon lit. Can you like guess, is it possible to like guess how much must have been spent on this wedding? Although we know that a lot of brands want to give free stuff, you know, for the promotion and whatever of the wedding. We know that, you know, people are going to go extra mile to be noticed. Even unprofessional, or let me not say unprofessional, but people who are not known in the media industry. I'm talking about videographers and photographers, and a lot of people are going to be doing their best so that they will be noticed this period. I mean, it's Davido's wedding that we are talking about. So everybody go try and meet standard, if you get what I'm saying. But like, just roughly imagine what must have been spent so far on this wedding, from the bridal shower to the wedding gown to the ring. I mean, I already said it in my previous video. Davido has already told us that the ring is what 3 Rolls Royces or Royce, whichever one it is. So what about the food? You know, as wedding they be now, most big people in Nigeria will roughly use up to 100 million, roughly that, for their wedding. Now, if this our Davido 001, if Davido could use 200M to buy a house, just house, how much do you think he would have spent on this his wedding? 500M, 700, 1 billion. More the matter long, the money suppose long. I don't know if you understand. I mean, this is 001 we are talking about here. And if you know the Davido that I know, because I don't know the Davido that you know, but if you know if it's the Davido that we know, the guy is an announcer. I don't know if you understand. He likes to, if he enters the place, you know, say Davido don't enter the environment. You understand? Down to his wristwatch, his necklace, his attire, whatever it is he has on, his car. Davido will not hesitate to tell you how much he bought it or how much he spent on it. That's our Davido for you. So, that being said, I will leave you guys to like rack your brain and imagine like how much you possibly could have used for this wedding. I'll leave you guys to think about that, because I mean, everything is going to be very expensive, from the food to everything, the gown, his suit that he's going to wear. Oh Jesus, let's not even go there. That red something that is wearing on his body now, I maybe that material is even from where's the most expensive material made? You guys know these things, you get. Also, now on the same topic of the wedding matter, you know that big men, do you understand? Odogus in the land, the conglomerates of Nigeria, they are going to be present in that wedding. Now, the cocoa be say, you know, EFCC has warned us. They say we should not be spraying naira. It's against the rule now. Don't spray any naira in your wedding. But this Davido's wedding, how will Odogus, how will Dimbas come for this wedding? I'm not sure their prowess. You know what I'm saying? How are we gonna do this? Are they gonna spread in naira or are they going to spray in dollars? Let's be watching. Let's be watching. See this wedding. We there here. We are here for it. We are here for it. Some people are even going to come in helicopter. Is and we are talking about. Hello. So as regarding the invitation, can you guys like just think it? What are the caliber of people that he must have invited? Oh, Chris Brown. I need to see Chris Brown in the groomsmen. It's supposed to be there. Our Afrobeats brother-in-law. What's going on? Anyways, that notwithstanding, we're gonna look at this calibers of like the people Davido could have invited to this wedding. I saw a random post. Someone said, based on the invitation card thingy, if you don't have an invitation, you're not going to come into the wedding. So somebody said, even if it's Tinubu himself. Excuse me a minute. So if Emilio Khan decides to come for the wedding and he wasn't given an invitation, he will be bounced. As in our president will be bounced. That's what they are saying. No, it's not me that say it. It's what people are saying. They are saying Davido's wedding, they are strictly following rules and regulation. It's nothing like entry, even if, no matter who you are, even if you're the president of United States of America, if you don't have invitation, you cannot enter. Anyways, this is only saying one thing. It only means that the wedding is security tight. Not just anybody can fall in. You understand? Anyways, guys, sit back and watch because I will keep on dropping and dropping. You guys are going to see. We are going to attend this wedding together. It's me and you guys. We here. So until the next video, how about you like this video, share, and do not forget to subscribe. If you're enjoying this whole gist, if you're enjoying this whole hot topic, look for my hand. All right. So subscribe, like this video, and I will be back here for more. All right. See you guys later.
Black crib, Nico's fucking living, nigga.
Period.
We done took over the fucking world.
No I get sick of my love bad. Body on cha-cha-cha. Sa toro tomo yire pepe dema. Toi to ma to. Crossing go beyo. Le pacho pepe re pecho. O ma shemile she. I don't wanna hear you say. I don't wanna hear you say you there with another man. Your body rotate. I know but like I'm if I see with another man. I don't wanna hear you say. I don't wanna hear you say you there with another man.